I'll show you one more example here. This happens to be lettuce. So this is looking at our plant counting tools. Of course, this is done for corn, as Milan mentioned, typically early in the season, but for vegetable crops, this is a very common tool that we've seen users using to count plants. So again, kind of this two-pane interface, but on the left, this is now not a stress map, but this is showing your population density across the field. So areas in red are lower population, areas in green are higher population. Part of that process, like I mentioned, is this separation of the crops from the background. Once we've done that separation, we can count the plants, which is shown here, but we can also do some unique things looking at plant size. So if I switch here, this is now a distribution of plant size in the field, and you can see it's quite different from the plant population itself. So you can really start to get some pretty unique insights here. So you can see here, this is plant count, this is plant size. I'm just switching between them here. But you can see, there may be areas that have high plant density, but they're small plants or vice versa. So really some very valuable information.